I'm going to show you what the most common areas where a pump will leak. Doesn't matter if you have this pump or a smaller pump or wherever. It pretty much applies to all of them. Is the seal. So the seal is at the discharge, and as you can see here, you see all the white stuff here. The seal failed. So once the seal gets eaten away, and it will get eaten away, once that gets eaten away, there's a little gap there, so water can start coming out of there. So you got to replace the gaskets every few years. It depends on how well you take care of your water. If you don't really take care of your water, you're going to replace them probably every year, or you're going to have leaks. Now you have to, once a year, you're going to have to go underneath the tub and kind of look at your equipment, because in the end, if you don't take care of it, it's like anything else. If you don't take care of it, it's gonna cost more money in the end. So it's your gaskets, even in the front here. Sometimes you'll get a leak out of there at the front here, so you're gonna replace the gasket in the front, on the top or the side or whatever, discharge and the suction. And the other spot is your pump seal. So you'll see water coming out here dripping. Sometimes you see water all on the bottom here. So you just gotta watch out for that too. This is also water chemistry. So anything you do with your tub, if you want to prolong your tub's equipment, doesn't matter if it's the jets, heater element, any equipment that you have in there, the cushions, if you don't balance your water properly, it's just going to chew away everything, and it's just going to wreck your hot tub. So you got to balance your water all the time. Or you can see one of our videos on our channel talking about the test kit that I'm going to have linked down below. Okay, the third spot is around the front of the wet head. So this is the wet head. This is the front of the wet head. And the places you'll see, again, there's a little gasket. Some of them are like these plugs, these drain plugs. And there's O-rings on the bottom. And these will get all cracked, and then it'll leak all through that area right there, that groove. Once you get a crack in there, it'll just work its way through the thread, and it'll start leaking really slow there. And just slow water kills your tubs. Sometimes you might not. You might have another plug where you might have the aerator hose. It's meant for not getting airlocks when you fill it. So you'll see a hose, like there's a little nipple here, and the hose will be connected to it, and it'll go up to one of your jets. And like I said, it's meant to get the air out. And then the other spot is around the front of it, around here. Now, if you find that when you separate this, or if it's leaking between these two spots, like on the bottom, if you find it's leaking there, now most of the time, all it needs is, I've never seen a gasket here get replaced, but you can put some grease around here. But I've never replaced one of these gaskets. They hold up pretty well. But what you can do is just put a little bead of 100% clear silicone all the way around, little bead there, and then when you put it back in, it just crushes it all out, and just clean it all out. Let it set there for a bit. Just because you got so much, it gets hot, cold all the time, and over the years, it's just expansion. Now, these are the areas that you should be checking at least once a year, and you should be balancing your water properly so you don't get the leaks in any of your pumps. Now, if this video helped you out, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and then we'll see you on the next one.